This year's show is We Will Rock You. It is the music of Queen. This is a really different kind of show than they've done before. This is a true rock musical. It's an interesting show for sure.
There's this video game character that brings herself to life, takes herself out of the video game, and materializes herself in the real world, and then takes over the world and bans all music.
She used to be like a video game character.
I'd say the plot is just a funny version of The Matrix.
Set in a post-apocalyptic world of two young people who are going to fight the power and find the similar-minded people out in the wasteland, the Bohemians, who are looking for their rhapsody to fight back the power.
Save the world using the power of rock. Don't take it too seriously. It's a very silly and ridiculous show, and that's what makes it so fun.
So guys, we are, I believe, the largest team on campus, and we're doing a whole lot. My name's Dak Ingram. I'm the Chair of Performing Arts at Shady Academy and Executive Director of the Hillman Center for Performing Arts.
I'm Jeff Gross. I direct the choirs and the string orchestra here at the senior school.
My name's Dr. Amanda Olmsted, and I am the choreographer for the musicals here at Shady Academy.
My name's Austin Davidheiser. I'm the technical director for the school, and I'm also the set and lighting designer for the shows.
I'm Ian Hughes. I am the band director here at the senior school, and for the musical, I get to direct the pit orchestra, which is a lot of fun.
They are artists in their own right, and that's where the collaboration happens. The broad strokes are mine, the details and the real art of the show belong to the kids, and that's a negotiation between them even. So those interactions that they create between each other, that's where the real show happens.
I think one of the fun things about educational theater is that they educate one another and they support one another just as much as we're there to support them.
Doing theater is as much a team activity as any group that goes out on the playing fields. You have to work together to accomplish the goal. There's not a lot of time in your life where you get to play, and theater, while it's work, should be fun.
The main point of these auditions is to try and show Mr. Ingram, Mr. Davidheiser, and Mr. Gross what you can do and how you can contribute to the cast.
One of my favorite things is to teach students how to sing. And so to be able to get to a point where you feel confident in your voice, that kind of confidence translates in so many ways. If you can get up and sing in front of people, you can get up and give a presentation. To get through some of those moments of doubt to a place of confidence, that's something that I think is really special about singing.
I think it went really well. I hit the notes I wanted, and I was practicing it for a little bit, and it went overall like I wanted it to, so I'm very happy about that.
We're going to start with a warm-up, so make sure you spread out, give me a lot of room, make sure you're able to move so you're not going to kick each other, yeah? Fantastic. The dance audition can be really intimidating, that you're going to go in there for maybe the first time ever and dance. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and start the learning process of our audition dance. The big thing I always say with dance auditions, I know it sounds scary, but it's that you're having fun, right? I want to see that you can just commit yourself to it, even if you can't do the thing.
really warm in this building today.
It's always warm.
Acting auditions are like pretty easy for me because I love the play and everything like that, but I don't want to be overconfident. I like going in and giving a monologue and then they give you direction. So I think that was good for me. It was I'm really used to auditioning for Deck and DH, so I was nervous, but not as nervous as I was for a vocal audition. So. I think it went well. I don't know, the fact that he asked me to speak lower and not just gave a acting thing, it feels like a good sign to me. So I don't know, knock on wood.
Thank you for joining us for Audition Week.
We'll see you at rehearsals.